Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language, currency and the region of the Hurb application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the more button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the bottom and click on this settings section below. Here you can select your country first of all. After that you can select your language. Here you have 3 options, so tap on the relevant one and then the language of the whole app will be updated automatically. And finally you can select the currency that you can find here, so tap on it and then click on apply changes. And then basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.